So over here you can see that I have a bunch of folders, and if I want to view information about these folders, then I can do that as well. So to do that, I'm going to select this particular folder right here. Let me just go back to my files and check mark this particular folder. Then what I can do is I can click on the info button over here on the top right hand side. And over here you can see that video production projects is shown right here with a preview video as well, and you can see who has access to it, and if there's any comments you'll be able to see it over here. If I were to click on the options right here, you can disable commenting from over here as well, as you can see, but we're not going to focus on that part right here. But if we were to go around onto a particular video, choose it and then click on its info right here, then we can see much more details as well. So you can see that this is the video right here for this particular file right here. And you can see that there's commenting and other options, like you can see the activities happening in that file, if any. If you were to go around onto this image over here, you can select this out and see who has access to this. And you can also go around and then manage the access over here on this particular file if you wish as well. So you can go ahead and you can see that the second channel has access to it. They can edit it, but you can go ahead right here and change this out as well. So you can see that this is what you have. It says they can edit, and direct access to the share folder is here right now. So let me just go around over here onto the main folder, and from over here we can manage out the access over here and then change out the permission as you like as well. You can go around over here. It says direct access can edit. So you can go around and remove the direct access as well, so that they don't have access to the folder anymore, just like this. And that is how you can access the info section and then change out the share settings as well to files or folders inside of Microsoft OneDrive, just like that. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe